Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This clean one-owner 2018 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 16,105 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs great. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket windshield and a backrest. This stripped-down trike is powered by a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 114 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. This factory trike offers all of the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It comes equipped from Harley with cruise control and electric reverse. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.